Hello, our dear listeners. Welcome to Alpha TVN Rwanda in our international scene. My name is Alpha Nibigira. We are going to be with the many companies from the different places now in our jingle. You will get it. Lilies Shop, iduka ry'icyerekezo ku bakeneye ibyo kurya by'amoko yose, turaranguza tukanacuruza detaye, tubafitiye ibyo kurya by'amoko yose, umuceri mwiza uyu wahogoje abawuguriye iwacu, isukari nziza, ifu ya kawunga ya yindi iryohera uwayikoresheje, tubafitiye ubugari mwakunze bwo ku buhanda ahazwi nk'igitwe, amakaro natubuka, amavuta aryohesha indyo, sauce tomate ya salisa n'ibindi mwakenera hano iwacu. Umwihariko wacu kandi nuko tubafitiye amafu y'ubwoko bwose ndetse n'amafu avangiye hamwe kandi atunganyije neza. Tubafitiye ibyo kunywa, amata meza ndetse n'amazi by'uruganda rw'Inyange. Urahasanga ibikoresho by'isuku, Kotex ku badamu n'abakobwa, Pampers ku bana, papier hygienique ndetse n'ibindi bikoresho by'isuku utasanga ahandi. Dukorera mu isantere ya Ruyenzi ku cyapa cya mbere cya taxi z'imodoka z'igihara ku nyubako nshihari. Iwacu hariranga. Duhamagare kuri telefoni igendanwa 0788 48 cyangwa se uduhamagare kuri 0730 tubikugezeho mu kanya nk'ako guhumbya. Lilies Shop, ibiciro byacu binogeye abatugana bose. Our news, let's start here in Rwanda. Munyeshuri dismissed from cabinet. And the former Minister of State for Public Investment and Resource Mobilization, Janine Munyeshuri, has been dismissed from her position of Minister of State for Public Investment and Resource Mobilization in the Ministry of Finance and Economic Planning, Minecofini. A communique from the Prime Minister's office on Monday, June 3rd, shared the information without divulging details. Munyeshuri was appointed minister in August last year. She held the various portfolios in the private sector previously. Among others, she served as the chief operating officer at Southbridge Group, a financial services institution. She also worked as a quantitative analyst and investment manager at Unigestion in Switzerland, and as a quantitative strategist at Epictet Group in Geneva, in Switzerland. In Uganda, President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni back at Namugongo after 4 years. President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni yesterday attended the Uganda Martyrs' Day celebrations in person at the Catholic Shrine 4 years after being absent. In 2020 and 2021, there were no physical celebrations as the country was under lockdown due to the COVID-19 pandemic. However, in 2022 and 2023, when the country was fully opened up, the head of state, who had for a long time been a regular guest of honor, was no show at Namugongo. His attendance yesterday was only known a few days ago when the Special Forces Unity, the security outfit that guards the president, and the other key installations in the country started demanding the security at Namugongo. Speaking to this publication in an interview last evening, the senior press secretary to the president, Mr. Sando Warusimbi, said the president had to physically attend this year's event because it had a high significance to the martyrdom. This event, Uganda Martyrs Day 2024, as a celebration anniversary for 60 years, was very significant because it is the 60th anniversary of the Uganda Martyrs. So Museveni said many words in this speech as he commanded the Ugandans for reaching the day after having previously gone through many problems. Shortly after attending the half-day celebrations, he was seen in a jovial mood with the courage led by the outgoing Nebi, the diocese Archbishop Raphael Pimoni Wokolachi, who was the main celebrant. The guest was in that celebration as the guest were among those leaders. He was Prime Minister Robina Nabanja, former Vice President Edward Sekandi, Justice Minister Norbert Mao, and the State Minister for Youth and Children Affairs Balamu Barugahara. Annually, Christians across the world join believers in Uganda at Namugongo, Wakiso district to pay homage to 45 Christians killed between 1885 and 1887 on the orders of Kabaka Mwanga of Buganda Kingdom. The 22 Catholic martyrs were canonized by Pope Paul VI at St. Peter's Basilica, Roma, and they became the first saints from sub-Saharan Africa on October 18th, 1964.
Muraho, nitwa Nigena Josiane, nkaba nkorera company yitwa MU Insurance, ishami rya Nyabugogo. Product dutanga harimo motor insurance, harimo fire insurance, general accident insurance, engineering insurance, Bama bonds, marine insurance, money insurance, travel insurance, aviation insurance n'izindi. Twabashishikarizaga rero kutugana, dutanga serivisi nziza. Tukaba twari mu kimbere ya Beka mu etaje y'uwitwa Jacobo, etaje ifatanye na station SP. Ikaze rero, ni karibu. MU Insurance ni ya kera, imaze igihe iri gukora cyane kuko yahinduye izina. Mbere yitwaga Phoenix Insurance, ubu ngubu yitwa MU Insurance. Ikaze bakiriya beza, murakoze.
In Kenya, failed by the system, mothers we lost inside the maternity wards. Bringing forth a new life into the world is a joyful moment for a mother and her family. The cry of a newborn makes a new beginning and signals hope for an exciting life ahead. But when the mother dies during childbirth, this joy and hope is cut short, casting a long shadow of tragedy, grief, and uncertainty on her family. This trend has been growing in Kenya in recent years, leaving newborns without mothers to care of them and threatening partners into confusion of immeasurable proportion. With each death, profound loss ripples through families and communities. The Kenya Demographic and Health Survey of 2022 estimates that 362 maternal deaths occur per 100,000 live births in the country. At the current estimated annual birth that translates to more 5,000 women and girls dying of pregnancy of birth-related complications every year. In what raises concern, about 70% of the cases are reported in referral hospitals during weekends and public holidays, the survey reveals. Meanwhile, data from the Kenyan Medical Practitioners and Dentist Council lift the lead of negligence by health workers as reported by expectant mothers. 3 out of 10 medical negligence cases lodged last year were related to pregnancy, accounting for 27% of the 1,301 complaints the council received since its inception. In the last few weeks, the Health Nation has been interrogating the cases of 5 women who lost their lives while all after giving birth in various like maternity wards across the country to establish what happened and why they died. And Evelyn Akinyi Alice Okwachi was Saturday when she lost her daughter Evelyn Akinyi on the 7th month on her pregnancy in 2021. The place of happiness for her growing family was quickly taken over by sorrow and despair. When Health Nation visited Alice in Matale North in Nairobi, we found her clutching at one photo of her daughter taken during happier times. Abigail Cheruto, the family of Lily Chesang from Kaptama in Mount Elgon, lost their only daughter Abigail Cheruto during delivery earlier this year. Abigail was 24 years and an enthusiast about life. She had labored for nearly 72 hours before giving birth to her baby. 6 hours later, Abigail's baby died due to complications arising from what doctors termed prolonged labor. Another one is Vile Eshau. The month of April brings grief to Hudson Shau, losing his wife and son at a health facility in 2016 on the day that was meant to be the happiest in the family. Is a sore memory to him to date. Benta Atieno, in one instant, the burden of Lilian Adiambo's sorrows becomes too much to bear. Tears flown down her face without restraint. She's recounting the moment a few years ago when nurses at Korogocho Hospital asked her to take back home her sister Benta Atieno.
Kora wigire training center ishuri ry'Igihanga kwigisha abantu gukora amasabune n'amavuta, kwigisha gukora shampoo, kwigisha abantu gukora glycerine, kwigisha abantu gukora amaji, kuvanga amarange, kwigisha business, dukorera abantu imishinga, dukora ibintu byiza, tugaragara ku mbuga kuri YouTube channel tugaragaza ibyo dukora, ibintu byacu birafatika, dukora amamashini ajyanye n'amasabune, ibintu byacu ni fresh. Ni mutugane tubafashe, ni Kimisagara Nationali ruguru gatoya ya ADPR, hari icyapa uzakibona kimanitse utaragera kuri 40. Kora wigire training center, karibu tubana. Kuko dusanzwe tubana ku mbuga zitandukanye kuri YouTube channel, Kora wigire Diogene Sokumeki, ikigo cyitwa Kora wigire training center Kimisagara Nationali hafi ya ADPR muri metero 150 uvuye kuri ADPR. Utega akamoto uvuye Nyabugogo cyangwa ukazamuka n'amaguru ku Nkunda Amahoro, wateza akamoto muri 400 akahakugeza ubundi ukaza tukiga, ducumbikira abantu bo hirya no hino baje kwiga bavuye mu ntara zitandukanye turi gufasha benshi kandi pe hari benshi bari kwiteza imbere kubera uyu mwuga w'amasabune ni amasabune ni amavuta ni amashampo ni zaji ni ukuvanga amarange ni ukwigira abantu imishinga ibyara inyungu n'ibindi bitandukanye muze mutugane muri Kora Wigire ibintu birashoboka ubuzima burahinduka muze kandi muzanyurwa Kora Wigire Training Center Kimisagara National.
In Tanzania, we continue there in that country. President Samia Suluhu Hassan bags 5th honorary degree. Dar es Salaam President Samia Suluhu Hassan has received her 5th honorary degree, honoris causa from Korean Aerospace University KAU, in recognition of her exceptional management and contributions to the aviation sector in Tanzania. The award was conferred during her visit to Seoul in South Korea, where she is undertaking a 6-day tour. KAU President Hee Young-hul lauded President Hassan's significant impact on Tanzania's development, especially in aviation. In her acceptance speech, President Hassan highlighted the promising future and vast potential of Tanzania's aviation industry. President Hassan attributed the growth of the aviation sector to the government's strategic investments, including the revitalization of the national carrier Air Tanzania. She noted the significant progress with Air Tanzania's domestic market share increasing to 53% from 2.4%, and passenger volumes rising up by 42% from 4.8 million in 2015. In November 30, 2022, University of Dar es Salaam UDSM for contributions to Tanzania's economy, democracy and gender equality and again education access. President Samia Suluhu Hassan received the honorary doctorate from UDSM, and this UDSM explains the honorary doctorate award to Samia Suluhu Hassan. October 2023, Jawaharlal Nehru University, GNU, India, as the first woman honoree, recognizing her leadership. In December 2023, State University of Zanzibar, SUZA, for her work in promoting tourism and economic development. In April 2024, Ankara University in Turkey, the second largest university in the country. President Samia Suluhu Hassan awarded the degree of economy by Turkey's Ankara University. Our dear listeners, thank you for being with us in our international scene. Let us be back at next time. Thank you. Yes, tubaha ikaze kuri Alpha TVN Rwanda. Turabana n'abafatanyabikorwa batandukanye barimo MUA Insurance, ishami rya Nyabugogo, akaba rero batanga ubwishingizi bwose ku binyabiziga. Ibaherereye Nyabugogo imbere ya banki ya Kigali, bakaba rero wabahamagara kuri telefone ngendanwa hariyo 0780453308 cyangwa se 0782167063. Turaza kubana kandi na Lily's Shop, ni iduka ricuruza ibiribwa, bakaba bacuruza detaye bakanaranguza ku giciro kinogeye buri wese. Baherereye mu murenge wa Runda ku Ruyenzi mu isantere. Bahamagare kuri telefone ngendanwa 078848 87 13 cyangwa se 07 30 94 38 turaza kandi kuba turi kumwe n'umuhanzi Musabyimana Donati, ni nayo mazina asanzwe akoresha kuri YouTube channel ye. Urasanga indirimbo zinyuranye, indirimbo zinyura imitima zikanaruhura intekerezo zinaniwe. Ibuka gukora subscribe, koresha ya ndetse na comment, ni ingenzi kuri we, cyangwa se umuhamagara kuri 0788 41 0981. Turabana kandi na Stay Kigali, ni inzu y'amacumbi nziza cyane, guest house y'icyerekezo, ifite ibyumba byiza naho kuruhukira heza, naho wicara witegeye ubwiza nyaburanga bwa Nyarugenge ndetse na Gasabo. Baherereye ku Kinamba muri Rompuwe kuri Zebra Crossing, mu kuboko kw'iburyo uvuye ku kiraro kiva mu mujyi, ni haruguru y'umuhanda kuri clôture y'amatafari ya Ruriba. Urahabona icyapa cya Stay Kigali, bahamagaza 0792 41 19 cyangwa se 07 22 42 13. Turimo kandi na Akora Wigire Training Center, bigisha imyuga yo kwiteza imbere, irimo gukora amasabune n'ibindi. Baherereye i Kigali ku Kimisagara ahazwi nka Nationali, haruguru y'urusengero rwa ADPR, ni muri metero 150 gusa uvuye kuri urwo rusengero. Bahamagare kuri 0788 40 73 54 cyangwa se 07 82 62 0308 bagufashe. Nawe watugana tukakwamamariza kuri Alpha TVN Rwanda, waduhamagara kuri 0788 95 78 39, kuko turi umunara w'ibisubizo ku bashoramari bose batugannye.